If you are just starting to learn guitar, maybe you've never even touched a guitar before, please stick around, this lesson is for you. Okay, remember how we learned the first chords with only one finger a couple of lessons ago? Maybe if you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. I'll put a link below. Now, we're going to learn some chords with only our two fingers. Alright, we're going to use the middle two fingers. You can use these two fingers as well, but I prefer these two. See which one you like, okay? So it sounds like this. Okay, so that was not any popular song, but it's just something I came up with to be a musical way of teaching these chords. Maybe it's a song that you can write. These chords are... The first one sounds like that. It's called a D major 9. Okay, so it's an open D or open 4th string, then second finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, then second finger on the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then open 1st string. Alright, that's a beautiful sounding chord with a very impressive name, D major 9. Wow. Alright, now the second chord, we're gonna jump up. We're gonna take this shape, this same two fingers, we're gonna jump up one and then one more. So from here, hop, hop. One, from there, hop, hop. Okay, take your time with these things, just take it slowly. Alright, this is a simple chord. This is called an E minor. Okay, very beautiful, dark, majestic kind of sound. Haunting, dark kind of sound, right? So for this one, we've got this open low string. Then again, second finger on the 2nd fret on the next string. Then second finger on the 2nd fret of the next string as well. Alright, and then the rest of the strings are open. Okay, so we go. Alright. That's your E minor chord. Alright, third one, we're gonna jump down one step. So hop down back here. So from there, we can just do that. So again, same strings, same configuration of your fingers, but we're gonna strum from this A string, the 5th string. Like that, okay? So we're gonna go. So again, open A, second finger on the 2nd fret of the next string D, second finger on the 2nd fret of the next string G, and then the next two are open. Alright, so there you have it, maybe your next big hit. Alright, write a song with it, please. If you write a song with it, please share it with me. Leave your comment below that you did, and maybe upload a video of playing it, and I'll be really happy to check it out. Okay, strum wise, I'm just doing a simple strum. You can do whatever you like strum wise, whatever feels natural to you. I'm just doing a, so it's down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. That strum pattern is a little bit difficult for you in the beginning, you can just go straight 4 down strums or 8 down strum, like kind of like this. Okay, please go have fun with it. Guitar is one of the most fun instruments that can ever be. I know I'm a bit biased, but I think that we all love the guitar, and that's why you're here, right? Alright, so if that video has helped you, please give me a subscribe or a like. Leave me a comment actually, that helps me plan my further lessons. See you next time. Cheers.